Ready up. Yeah, we living like the narcos. Cause we're real Malandros.
Now what's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs aka The Reaction Boss. What's good reaction gang? Now I want to say thank you to all the Trinidad supporters right there. I'm going to talk just because the only reason why I'm talking right now because this video is a party. The only reason why I'm talking right now is because I want to see a comment over there. So comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. That is the only reason why I'm going to talk. I'm going to talk and say me talk because I want to talk for talk and talk and see I can talk. I'm going to comment show and talk. Anyways people, now we have K-Lion, Malandros. I keep a party with that song. I try to write that song around 10,000 times. YouTube block it. Or it get taken down. Or it get right, copyright. But I don't mind the copyright though. But it get taken down after. So you know what? A party me keep with that song. You see me? So like the good body girls them want to set up a partner right so cock up whatever is up and the man over there. See me girl? Yes. And the man them want to start rub some biggest cliff right now. You know what I mean? Rub some biggest cliff right now. And look at a girl for wine pan right now. You understand me? And if girl over Trinidad want to find a Jamaican man right now. Cheap for Trinidad boyfriend, cheap for him. For 1 day though, 1 day today alone, cheap for Trinidad boyfriend. You see me I say, I'm forward. People like the video, if you don't like the video yet, please subscribe for the new one. There to 10,000 subscribers. The Reaction gang is growing every day. Now let's get straight to the party. Yeah!
Amigo.
Yo, V man, S man,
Yeah!
Bishop, Rifle, Dog man.
When you hear the instrumental, when you hear the rhythm people, nothing wrong with that. Oh, if you don't want to watch a video without me passing it, link down below in the description to the original video and come from a reaction though. Run tune!
Yeah, we better than them. Yeah, we better than them. Boom! Monsters out.
Yeah, that the man say better than them. The man say better than all of them. And guess what the man say? The man say the monsters them outside, you know. People, the man light up a biggest clip. People, the man ready to go crazy right now, you know, people. The man ready to go crazy right now. Go see what I do with the man.
Ready up. Yeah, we living like the narcos.
Boom!
Cause we're real Malandros.
You know the man say, man, he live like the narcos them. There's a man that's some real bad bumbuckle belt man, them man there in the youth. The man say, man, real Malandros in the youth. Go on!
Bad girl and want take off clothes.
Bro!
Cause we're real Malandros.
The man say, girl, at I want to take off clothes. The man say, man, real Malandro. And then see that girl up on the boat a while ago. Me see her though. Go on.
Oh, said like mango.
Yeah!
Cause we're real
Malandros.
Think I joke, try shirt from the North Coast.
Oh, no, normal gun them man have done video here in the youth. The man say them have in the North Coast too in the youth. But guess what I see a while ago? I see a little girl a while ago now. How that neighboring, I'm saying a swing and gun in her. I saw them girl are bad. I saw the girl are trading that bad. And I tell them, I say, go on!
Come now, we're real
Malandros. So why your face have scrubs, sir, bro God? Hold on there. Bro God, why your face scrubs, sir? What them do to you?
Real Malandros.
What them do to you? What them do to you? Oh gosh, she never give you the pumps and she give him the pumps. I understand. Go on!
New generation touchdown. Tell a boy nothing fuck round.
Not deaf when the new generation touchdown the people. Tell a boy don't fuck round. I don't want nobody fuck with the chopping up people. Cause new generation are touchdown right now. Run tune.
MIL, fully locked down. Violate a hero, the clock sound. Send a fuck.
MIL, I don't know what the hell is that. Yo, tell me what that mean, brother. MIL, I forgot to write it out. Cause I don't know what is that for real. I'm start get that already, man. Run tune.
Put my dab them, on top it a mad them. Any pussy with a problem, the air will solve them.
You hear that? Any bumbuckle bet have a problem in a yo. The air go solve it, you know. That can't tell you. So you try to have no problem with it. Yo, don't have no problem. Cause Trinidad bad. Run tune.
Lion and lioness them torment. We evil. Trinidad.
You have to get search gun and them man yet, you know. You have to give up your gun, you know. And guess a girl have to search it. Yo, go on, Trinidad. But me want to go back in there because sometimes I'm going to go back in the song a little bit after my pause. So run tune.
Cause they're not bad like we, and they're not bad like we. B-I-L-A-G, don't take this lightly.
Don't know. The man still not bad like we. Don't take me lightly, youth. Don't take the man lightly. You know you're okay then I say, yo, run tune.
Turn them with the P90, bring militantly, boy then instantly. Music port.
I'm telling you this youth. Me know everything about them air and them P90. You know why I come and play Fortnite. Me a bad gunman in a Fortnite. I hear that. Me hey. Run up on them with the AR in a Fortnite, youth. Once I have the AR and the SMG, I spray. And one of the pump shotgun, boom, outside tactical. I don't hear about Fortnite. Ah, Blood clot. Tune.
Watch it. Minutes from infancy. Real intelligent to make me get fully dancy. Trigger with the rifle and jack with the pumpy.
But you know what the man say a while ago? The man say I'm real intelligent, you know. Don't make him get done, see, you know. Don't make him get done because if him get done, it's a crime. Kill him. Go and talk to them again. Go and talk to them.
Living like
Hey! Real Malandros.
Every hot girl I
Go
want
play quick game and smash past all of the girls in that video. But there's 1 minute and 60 seconds in the video. So I see 2 girls in the video so far. Show them there. So the one there right there, so when the white and black, she one is the girl that I never see that one there up on the right there, but no that one there right. One is the girl that I said to mom no. I talk about that one and the white. She me see her the neighboring, I like girls neighboring. So me I get her like she get smashed. Me out of 10 me I get her like I probably a 8. And the one right there in the pink. Where she gone? She have one in the neighboring right, so but one in the pink where they there in the boat. Now she I get a 10 out of 10 in. And then she get a small smash. But go on back in the song, yeah, man. I was somebody there. Run through.
Real Malandros.
Yeah.
Big rifle busted like mangoes.
Real Malandros.
Think I
tell them this, you know. No one a big rifle bust out on the head like a mango in the youth. Cause the wickedest thing that we go on in the youth. Let me tell them that, you know. Run through.
Tripe shirt from the North Coast. But we real
Malandros.
Yeah, we make loud moves silently.
You hear that? You hear that? Boom, buckler. People right now, if you want to watch a reaction boss right now, you don't like the video, so more people can get for see the video. That's how you can support me, dog. And share the reaction with at least one person, at least one of your friends, just one. I'm not telling you to share the video with everybody who don't know. Just one person. Because if everyone don't share the video with one person, don't it? I want extra some money that in the dog. And just like the video, dog. Thanks for your support as usual. I'm rate the support from the Trinidad people, them dog. I don't know. They come like, yo, run out.
We ending with the sirens of the violence be. Guns, girls, drugs, money, and the vibes plenty.
So me tell them about them girl. I know I like the girl already, you know, but through the song is like, it's a girl, it's not a girl. It's just a vibe. It has a buzz. Obviously, I see that already, you understand me? But I see that girl, I show them what I talk about them there.
Guns.
See how quick the movie, I could see that, because I see the beauty of what go on in the video. Them know see the intensified, extreme, intelligently, so let's go on another video, you know. Big words, you know. Just make them up a while ago, you know. We just buy them on the road and come back, you know. Run tune!
Girls, drugs, money, and the vibes plenty.
Yeah.
Fuck with the talks, we left the pan real empty.
Yeah.
Up on the head scene, prize of the 50.
Tell me this, don't ramp with K-Lion, and don't ramp with the Malandros them. Blood clothes. Reaction bar starts sweat. Wait. I know if you're a fuck.
Rifles split leg, see then mash up your windscreen. Glove and gunshots, just call with the mixed breed. Glove and gunshot.
Hold on, let me see that girl. Big woman, I should say. Sorry, I won't call it big woman's girls. Go on!
The mixed breed. Glove and gunshots, just call with the mixed breed. Whoa, getting a man like we.
When I say love and gunshots, but an extra, I didn't hear that part.
Glove and gunshots, just call with the mixed breed. Glove and gunshots, just call with the mixed breed.
Oh, bumbleclad! Where the light are there? Where the light are there? People say if you know some real Malandros, watch us there.
Getting a man like we, and in a bad like we. B-I-L-A-G, nothing is slightly. I'm a run out on them with the
What's what atters there? Hold on, wait. What atters there? Mama! I would never hide she in the video all along. I think I wouldn't see the pretty sexy body girl from Trinidad yet, you know. I wouldn't hide you all along, mama. With the thick thighs and the big breasts, them. And all them want one girl for go on up. I'm going back in the song here, because you think she got it.
Intelligent to make me get fully dancing. Trigger with the rifle and jack with the pumpy. Yeah, we
living like the narcos. I don't know, sir. I don't want to get copyright the song done already. I know a song done, though. I don't know a song done, dog. I know reaction I go come to an end. Don't cry. Real Malandros. Big up on yourself, shout out to everybody behind the works, Kayla, and big up yourself, Kayla, and you don't know chat. Big up all the artists from Trinidad. And no song them I get reviewed and reaction. I'm not a review channel for the man them. As them I say message thing. I'm not a review channel, my reaction boss. Trinidad artists them, Jamaican artists them. Me are the reaction boss. If you don't want a review, no go link in the review channel them. Me are the reaction boss. Don't get it twisted. Me tell you all on this. Not a review channel. But anyways, it's been real. It's been a boy tie. The party was let the girl and pum get wet up. Now the man and go home and go make love to the girls them. Wanna go make love to your woman? Go and go make love to your woman, and your woman then go and make love to your man if you have a girl. You see me? I say. Good night, cause this is gonna be posted later tonight. I'm out.